for strengthening the party, and the QWP leader says PTI yet to provide masses relief. Charsadda, Qaumi Watan Party, QWP, provincial head Sikandar Hayat Khan Sherpao said on Friday that the Pakistan Tehrik-e-Insaf, PTI, government had miserably failed to provide any relief to the people. He was addressing a gathering in Tangi tehsil in Charsadda. On the occasion, several activists of Pakistan People's Party and Awami National Party announced to join the QWP. Those who joined the party included Haji Paindagal, Amin Jan, Muhammad Awaz, Mukhtiar Ali, Usman, Zubair, Qasim, Musa, and others. The new entrants to the party fold reposed confidence in the QWP leadership, and vowed to work for strengthening the party in the district. Sikandar Sherpao said that the PTI government could not implement its so-called agenda of change and reforms promised in the last general election. He said that the country had been under heavy debt due to the flawed economic policies of the PTI rulers. The QWP leader added that inflation and joblessness had made life miserable for the have-nots and the people from the downtrodden segments of the society. He maintained that the government had no vision or planning to turn the economy around and give some sort of relief to the masses, who were grappling with a host of problems including the burgeoning price hike. Sikandar Sherpao said that the spiraling inflation had badly dented the purchasing power of the people. Instead of providing relief to the people, the rulers are issuing mere statements advising the people not to panic, which is ridiculous and tantamount to rubbing salt into their wounds.